plus 20 cents gives me 70 cents. 70 cents plus 10 cents gives me 80 cents. 80 plus 2 cents gives me 82 cents. So the answer is 82 cents. Good job, everyone. You guys are rock stars. No one before would put the decimal. They were just putting 82, and that's wrong. You need to have the decimal so people know you're dealing with change. So good job, third period. I'm so proud of you. Okay. So level 1, lesson 9. This is our last lesson for the level. So Monday, we will be having a quiz over level 1. And so it's very important you attend class on Monday to take the quiz. If you don't attend class, you'll have to schedule office hours to take the quiz. So come to class and take it. You'll have the whole period to take the quiz. So today we're going to be doing fractions. So fractions are pieces of larger things. So for instance, if you have a piece of a pie, you have a fraction of the pie. If you have a piece of pizza, you have a fraction of the pizza. If you have a piece of candy bar, then you have a fraction of the candy bar. So this is a whole circle. If we draw a line through the center, we have divided the circle in half. Half meaning 2. So we write that as 1/2. So I want everyone in the chat to put this slash symbol. It's underneath the question mark next to the shift key. Put the slash symbol so I know you know how to find it. Beautiful. So we will be using that in today's homework. So this circle is in 2 pieces. We have made fractions parts of a whole. To show a fraction, we've shaded one of the 2 pieces. We write the fraction as 1/2. This means 1 out of 2 parts. So the top number, which we call the numerator, the bottom number, which we call the denominator. The numerator has the shaded part, or the part we're talking about, and then the bottom, the denominator, is the total number of parts. So it's 1/2, 1/2. So here's just some other ones written below. So we've divided this circle into 4 pieces, showing it as fourths. So we have 4 total pieces. And then if we come to the second side, we shaded 3 of the 4. So 3/4, or 3/4 of the circle is shaded. So what part of the fraction is not shaded? That would be 1/4. Now think back to the lesson on money. We said that every time you have 4 quarters, you have a dollar. So 4 quarters makes 1 whole dollar. This means that 1 quarter is 1/4 of a dollar, or 1/4 of a dollar. So what part of a dollar is 2 quarters, or 50 cents? Type the answer in the chat. What part of a dollar is 2 quarters, or 50 cents? Yes, half of a dollar, or 1 divided by 2. Good job. Next up, make sure when you read fractions, you read the top number first, then the bottom number. You read as either, if it's 2, it's half, 3 is third, and then from so on, you go 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So you just take the number and add th. So make sure you read the top number first, and then the bottom number, and you add, you say it, not just the number, you say it like that. The bottom number shows how many pieces make up the whole. The top number shows what you're talking about. So the larger the number on the bottom, the smaller the parts compared to the whole. If the bottom number doesn't change and the top number gets larger, then you have more parts of the whole. For example, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, or 4/8. So the parts stay the same on the bottom, the denominator stays the same, but the numerator gets larger. You're just talking about more parts of the whole. So type in the chat, what is more, 1/8 or 3/8? Yes, 3/8 is more. The top number means parts, more parts. So 3 parts are more than 1 part. I like to think of it like if I have a cookie that I'm cutting into into 4 pieces, would you rather have 1 piece of the cookie or 2 or 3 pieces? So the larger number is what is larger. The larger number or the bigger number is more than. So what if the number on the top and the bottom are the same? Then you have a whole. So if it's 3 out of 3 or 8 out of 8 or 2 out of 2, then it's just 1 because 3 divided by 3, if we plug that in our calculator, gives us 1. So then you have a whole number or a 1. So homework 1.9, we're going to get started on today. You should be able to finish it. So I'm going to drop the link in the chat. Hope that takes you to the right one. I didn't type a C on accident. Okay. So there's assignment 1.9. If you finish 1.9, you're going to go to the Google Classroom and do review for quiz. This is worth 30 points in the grade book. Whatever grade you get on the Google form is what I'm going to put in the grade book. So it's not just going to be points for completing it. It's going to be points for problems right. So take your time on it, do it correctly, and get the problems right so you can get 30 out of 30 because it's going to pull your grade a little bit more than these 10-point assignments. So that is what is today's work.